Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Today, we cover critical shifts in the crypto arena, including regulatory battles, major asset flows, and transformative institutional strategies that are reshaping market dynamics. In addition, prediction markets and price corrections underscore the volatile yet opportunity-rich environment. Robert Kiyosaki has recently warned that exchange-traded funds act as mere paper versions of Bitcoin, gold, and silver. He urges investors to consider the tangible ownership of these assets. Meanwhile, a prediction market on Polymarket turned a $10,000 bet on a NASCAR race into a $60,000 dispute, highlighting challenges in settlement processes that continue to test decentralized oracle systems. Further stirring the scene, crypto pioneer Tyler Winklevoss has accused JP Morgan of halting Gemini's banking services following his criticism of high data access fees. At the same time, the meme coin Pengu surged by 151% in July, spurred by whale accumulation and viral momentum, although profit-taking remains a concern among seasoned traders. As market attention shifts, Polymarket odds now signal a 96.3% chance that the Federal Reserve will refrain from cutting interest rates next week. In parallel, industry voices note that Bitcoin is no longer bound by its traditional 4-year cycle, thanks to growing institutional adoption. One Satoshi-era whale made headlines by selling over 80,000 Bitcoin for more than $9 billion, setting a new benchmark in digital asset exits. On the institutional front, a report confirms that public firms holding at least 1,000 Bitcoin have grown by 50% in 2025, reinforcing Bitcoin's status as a reserve asset. Additionally, BlackRock's Ethereum exchange-traded fund has reached $10 billion in assets, underscoring accelerating interest in digital asset investing. From another angle, Justin Sun's Tron office in Florida retains hints of its legacy branding even as it embraces a bold new identity. Regulatory momentum is palpable as Senator Elizabeth Warren criticizes the Genius Act, arguing that it compromises consumer protection by favoring industry interests. In Nigeria, the Securities and Exchange Commission has welcomed stablecoin innovation, provided firms adhere to rigorous compliance standards, a move that promises to drive broader market participation. Market metrics reveal that Ethereum is leading the altcoin space with a record money supply amid rising demand, while XRP encountered a sharp correction of over 15% after achieving a record high. Legal pressures persist, as venture investor Dragonfly faces potential charges related to its involvement with Tornado Cash, and the Department of Justice is considering additional actions in the evolving regulatory landscape. Corporate moves are also in focus. SharpLink Gaming has recently appointed former BlackRock executive Joseph Chalom to help steer its Ethereum-native strategies, and Windtree Therapeutics plans to invest up to $700 million in BNB, reflecting the growing trend of publicly traded companies embracing digital assets. Meanwhile, the Pump token is under severe pressure, having dumped over 63% since its initial coin offering amid legal challenges and delayed airdrops. Navigating these market twists felt a bit like the strategic battles in The Legend of Zelda, a link to the past, where every move holds the key to victory. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready. This podcast is automated by artificial intelligence and is for information purposes only. Nothing stated constitutes legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.